So first, I would like to pay respect to the General Director Sanjay, Deputy Director Nengmo, teachers, and everyone. My name is Hai Sophia. I'm 16 years old. I study English at Asian Student International School of Branch 1. Today, I would like to share about my topic to everyone, and my topic is here are simple 5 benefits of AI. 1. Save time and have to do more. AI can do boring and repetitive tasks automatically, so you have more time for important work or fun things. For example, it can help answer customer questions or sort through data quickly. 2. Work very accurately. AI can make fewer mistakes than humans in some tasks. For example, it can help doctors find disease in scan with very high accuracy. 3. Give you personal list and suggestions. AI can learn what you like and suggesting based on your preferences, like recommending movies, songs, or products that you might enjoy. 4. Always available. AI doesn't need sleep, so it can work all the time. Chatbots, for example, can answer your question 24/7 even in middle of the night. 5. Help make smarter decisions. AI can look at a lot of information really fast and help people make better decisions. It can find patterns or trends that are hard for people to see. Finally, I would like to thank you for everyone for watching my video carefully.